Hello, my name is Terry Roberts. The video you are about to see will introduce you to an exciting line of drive-through products designed for use in the financial industry. This equipment is manufactured by E.F. Bavis & Associates, a company where drive-through is their only business. In addition to a financial line, they also provide industry-specific drive-through products for pharmacies and restaurants. All of the products you will be learning about have been designed to require only minimal maintenance and feature the best employee customer ergonomics and audio systems. This effort has provided the maximum in customer satisfaction and transaction throughput. For years, there was little, if any, difference between the products available to provide drive-through service. After viewing this video, it will be apparent that the all drive-through equipment is the same statement will no longer apply. Are you interested in solving your drive-through problems? Then consider using E.F. Bavis's TransTrax, which offers cost-effective drive-through service, providing the maximum in customer and operator convenience. The TransTrax is not like its competitors. Instead of using air pressure or vacuum to move a carrier from one place to another, the TransTrax uses a patented high-tech drive medium which offers superior characteristics over other systems. For example, the TransTrax can adjust to different vehicle heights with the push of a button by the operator so that conducting business is easy regardless of what size vehicles you are servicing. This dual delivery height results in reduced transaction times, providing greater throughput and customer convenience. Have coins ever got stuck in your drive-through equipment? If so, that's because other drive-through systems were not designed to handle heavier objects like rolls of coin or larger transactions. However, with the TransTrax, customers are encouraged to take advantage of this capacity. In addition to stopping at different vehicle heights and handling greater weight, the TransTrax is a very reliable product. Because of its tape drive medium, the TransTrax uses only one motor, which is rated at 10,000 hours of service. Compare this to competitive products that require multiple motors with each motor rated at only 500 hours. The simplicity of the TransTrax design calls for only 4 moving parts, where hundreds of parts are needed on other products. Finally, the TransTrax uses solid-state switching that has no moving parts to wear out. Competitive systems use lever-type wand switches and outdated push buttons that depend on mechanical action with each and every operation. Did you know the TransTrax saves you money by eliminating hidden installation costs? As previously referenced, other products require multiple motors, therefore requiring that power be positioned on each customer island. The cost to install this power can be as high as $1,000 per lane. This is a hidden cost not directly associated with the cost of the equipment. Using the TransTrax eliminates this expense. In terms of appearance, the basic TransTrax is available as it is shown here, or with the optional aluminum skin pictured here in a standard warm white finish. A custom finish of your choice can also be applied. The TransTrax offers a variety of installation options including a straight configuration with the internal teller controls mounted anywhere along or on either side of the window, or the unit can be ordered splayed so it can angle into the drive-through for even greater flexibility. Why limit your capacity, reduce customer teller convenience, slow transaction times, and pay for hidden cost when the TransTrax can provide you with a superior, cost-effective drive-through system. The Bavis transaction drawer was designed with convenience and capacity in mind. The engineering of this drawer introduced a new drive medium to the drive-through industry. Design innovations have resulted in greater convenience, control, and capacities for both operator and customer. This product is currently being used successfully with financial and pharmacy drive-through applications. However, its use is certainly not limited to these areas and can be positioned wherever products need to be passed, including convenience stores, hospitals, prisons, casinos, and many more. The Bavis transaction drawer offers the following: internal dimensions of 16 by 12.5 by 5 3/4 inches for a very large capacity without a large footprint, handling up to 25 pounds. The longest stroke available, measuring 18 inches, provides customers with greater access to their items and allows for wider curbing around the building, protecting against vehicle damage. An electronic brake enables operators to position the drawer without damaging vehicles. Flat compression seals around both doors eliminate hot and cold airflow, along with any contaminants, while reducing outside noise. One-touch fingertip controls with optional auto recall system. Large transaction hold-down bar prevents items from blowing away. This UL-listed multitask drawer was designed for all your retrofit and new construction drive-through and walk-up projects. E.F. Bavis & Associates offers a full line of windows that, unlike competitive products, provide their customers with a number of aesthetic and ergonomic options while reducing installation cost. Most of the time, you only have one choice of colors when selecting a frame. With the Bavis window, custom colors are always available. No matter where you live, the average window does not do a good job of keeping out hot and cold air. The Bavis window can be ordered with insulated, bullet-resistant glass, enhancing the work environment and reducing heating and air conditioning costs. Don't be caught by the hidden cost associated with the installation of windows. For example, the exterior wall in most cases has to be finished off to the window frame. This is not required with the Bavis window, and therefore the additional installation cost is eliminated. If the glass is ever damaged and needs to be replaced, the glass is normally removed from the interior, disrupting the workplace. Bavis windows are designed so the glass is removed from the exterior, reducing time, cost, and inconvenience. So the next time someone says a window is a window, this is not the case with the window line designed by E.F. Bavis & Associates. Security at the ATM is an ongoing concern for financial institutions, especially when replenishing cash at a remote location. Some organizations use their own personnel, while others use expensive third-party replenishment agents. The ATM Trax was developed by E.F. Bavis & Associates to maximize employee security and eliminate third-party replenishment cost, which can be as high as $1,000 per month per lane. Please note, it is difficult to view much of the ATM Trax because most of this product is enclosed and not visible. However, here's how it is used. An employee will proceed to the ATM building. Then once inside the locked ATM building, with the dual controls of the ATM Trax, they will transport a fully loaded sealed cassette from inside the building to the remote ATM. The ATM is then serviced, and the spent cassette is positioned in the ATM Trax and returned to the main building. It's that simple.
No need for multiple trips using smaller containers, and since cassettes are sealed, the risk of insider theft is greatly reduced, as well as the liabilities of the board of directors in case any criminal acts are committed against employees. Organizations using the ATM tracks reduce cost by eliminating the need for a third-party replenishment service. Improve security because large amounts of currency are not transported until personnel are secure. Have greater control over when the ATM is replenished, providing better customer service. For over 20 years, when it comes to small item transport systems, the name AutoVer stands for quality, reliability, and low life cycle cost. This product has been used successfully at financial and pharmacy drive-through applications for years. It has set the standards by which all other drive-through systems are measured. The commercial AutoVer 3000 model, which you are viewing, uses a tackle box-like carrier measuring 11 by 6 by 4 1/2 inches to transport items weighing up to 26 pounds. The AutoVer can handle all types of drive-through applications and is not limited by vertical or horizontal distances. As you can see, the vertical movement is accomplished by the use of offset rollers and polyurethane cords that compress against the carrier. The carrier is then positioned onto a flat belt conveyor for horizontal movement. Because the AutoVer uses this type of drive medium, it includes features not available on other systems. For example, the employee can cancel a transaction and return it to the sender without having to complete the entire run. Also, unlike other pneumatic-driven products, the AutoVer allows for a conversation to take place between both parties while the system is in use. These two examples save time and increase customer throughput in the drive-thru. The controls are conveniently located in one position on the internal vertical. In addition to the cancel function, there are boost-in, boost-out audio controls and a red LED display to let an operator with multiple lanes know which lane is requesting assistance when the call button is pressed. The system also comes with built-in self-diagnostics to assist service personnel in doing preventative maintenance and, if a problem occurs, quickly determine the cause, therefore reducing service times and cost to the customer. The AutoVer HD 3000 commercial system, rated to carry up to 26 pounds, will handle any type of drive-through configuration. Capable of canceling a transaction and returning to sender. Includes boost-in, boost-out audio feature. Comes with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Allows operator to communicate with customer while system is in use. UL listed product.
Quite an impressive array of products. It's obvious that E.F. Bavis & Associates is truly a specialist when it comes to developing drive-through products for the financial industry. Because of their design and engineering expertise, each product incorporates distinctive features simply not available with competitive equipment. So if you've had it with equipment downtime, ongoing high maintenance cost, and limited capacities, maybe it's time to consider products that were designed to provide solutions to all of the above.